Want to learn how to showcase your models via turntable animation? Keep watching. To create a turntable animation, we will need a model and a camera. First, let's position the camera. Ctrl-Alt-0 to set camera to current perspective. With the camera selected, go to Object Constraint Properties. Click on Add Object Constraint, and select Damped Track. Select the target as the model from drop-down, or use the Picker tool to select. Change the axis to -Z. Now even if we move our model, camera will always face it. Now extend the timeline editor below. Choose one frame less than the start value. Then press I on the viewport, and select Rotation. Now select the end frame, 250 in my case. Then rotate the model 360 degrees, which is one complete rotation, in Z-axis. Then I to insert keyframe, and choose Rotation. Now switch to camera view, and go to material view as well to see the materials. And with the camera selected, turn down the influence value, to adjust the model position. Now select the model, and play the animation. You can see the model rotating. But you might have noticed, our model slows down a bit near the end. We don't want that. So to fix that, press T. And under Interpolation, select Linear. Now when you play the animation, there is no such problem. Thanks for watching. Don't leave without giving this video a like or dislike, and smash the subscribe button if you want more tips and tutorials in the future.